If you are a long-term investor and investing all your money in the Indian market, then you need to hear this because it's like betting all your money on one horse in a global race. See, India is booming. There's no denial about that. It is indeed one of the fastest growing economy of the world. But let's look under the hood. 85% of India's oil is imported, which means our economy is vulnerable to oil shock, and any price rise can hurt inflation. Over the last decade, INR has depreciated more than 30% against USD, eroding returns for foreign investors. And FIIs are also slowing down. In fact, some of the months of 2024 has seen FII outflows, and it's a red flag because it means that global investors are shying away from investing in India. Now, by no means I say that India is a not good place for investment. It is a great place. The point I'm trying to make is don't put all your egg in one basket. And if you are someone who is looking to expand your portfolio outside India, in my opinion, US is the best alternative because US being the growth engine and innovation hub of the world offers some of the top quality businesses to invest for future growth. It spends more than $700 billion annually in R&D. It is leading in AI, biotech, and EV revolution. It also spends heavily in future technologies such as quantum computing, space communication, and blockchain. And if you see last 5 year return, Nasdaq has given a return of 125% against Nifty 50's 105% return without considering currency depreciation of INR. If you consider last 1 year alone, Nasdaq has outperformed Nifty 50 by more than 100%. But if you're too much worried about de-dollarization and believe that US's downfall has started and you don't want to invest over there, then China is also a good market. It is the manufacturing hub of the world, and recently Chinese government has provided stimulus which could boost Chinese economy, and some of the companies are available at a great price. And last but not the least, European market are also heating up with recent rate cuts as it will bring more liquidity in the market, and it also has some of the great companies, especially in luxury segment and pharmaceutical sector, which is available at bargain. Uh, so the bottom line is that world is becoming more and more volatile, and it is essential to hedge your investment. India is a rising star, but I would say don't be 100% local in this 100% global world. So diversify.